So we just got done flying, or I just got done flying, and that was the first and last flight of 2023, because now we are going to start taking things apart and cannibalizing all the metal fittings and start putting together the new plane. I hooked up my little engine saver there. It goes in. That's a little warm cylinder head. It's got a big old fat rubber bung in there. Just goes in the oil filler. Comes out down here through the air breather, and this will recirculate due to that little mod I did underneath. And as soon as we hooked it up, I can actually hear the oil inside the engine bubbling a little bit. So this is what we're doing. So now my videos on the build project will also include the teardown of this one. All right, thanks for watching.